Crocodiles are among nature's most ruthless predators. When hunger strikes, nothing is off limits, not even their own kind. In the struggle for survival, they turn on each other. Where the weak become a feast for the strong. Their powerful jaws, armed with bone-crushing teeth, can shatter even the toughest shells, effortlessly breaking through a turtle's armored defense. But their deadliest weapon is the infamous death roll, a violent, twisting maneuver that drags prey into the depths, tearing flesh and crushing bone with unstoppable force. Once locked in a crocodile's grip, escape is nearly impossible. In their world, only the strongest survive.